Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, I just want to say that this is not a financial advice. I'm simply sharing what I'm doing with my money and how I'm positioning my crypto portfolio for the next bull market. In today's video, I'm diving into one of my crypto portfolio for 2024 and 2025. This portfolio is specifically designed to capitalize on the upcoming bull markets with a balanced mix of large cap, mid-risk and high-risk investments. I'll also talk about my involvement with top-tier Launchpads and how you can adopt this strategy to your own risk tolerance and investment goals. Just to note, I have multiple portfolios, including one of long-term holding, one for trading, and others for specific strategies. So stay tuned to hear more about each of them in the future videos. Before we jump into the details, let's talk about some of the main factors driving the crypto market this year. In early 2024, Bitcoin's price surged, followed by approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF by the SEC, with institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity leading to significant institutional inflows and pushing Bitcoin to a new all-time high. The Bitcoin halving was another one of the contributing factors. When the Fed finally cut the interest rate by 50 basis points in October, it added momentum to the market. Meanwhile, China's central bank took significant steps to stimulate its slowing economy by also cutting interest rates. Another catalyst this year was the approval of the Hong Kong spot Bitcoin and ETH ETF. However, setbacks includes SEC crackdowns on Binance and Coinbase and the growing geopolitical tensions, particularly the war in Eastern Europe and the Middle East, which fueled market volatility and fear. This uncertainty pushed traditional safe haven assets like gold to a new all-time high. Later, the release of Binance CEO CZ eased regulatory concerns, helping stabilize the market. The US president's election also played a role, with Donald Trump appearing at the Bitcoin conference and his positive comments about cryptocurrencies boosting sentiment. And the most important of all, the AI integration in the blockchain also fueled positive sentiment. Understanding these factors is essential, as they play a direct role in shaping our investment strategies and guiding how we balance and diversify our portfolio for optimal returns. So, going back to my crypto portfolio strategy, it's balanced with 30% in large cap assets like Bitcoin and Solana, which provide stability, while the rest is allocated to mid and high risk investments that have the potential for much higher returns. This approach allows me to aim for significant gains while still keeping a solid foundation in large, more established coins. One of the most exciting parts of my strategy is my focus on Launchpads. I'm top tier holders of many Launchpads like CDFI, AIPad, ChainGPT and AI Tech, and many others. These platforms are crucial for getting early access to promising projects before they hit the market. By investing in Launchpads, I'm positioning to benefit from the growth of new projects as they develop, potentially leading to exponential returns. This makes Launchpads one of the most powerful tools in this portfolio strategy. Now, large cap. I keep 30% of this portfolio in large cap, as I said, in assets like Bitcoin and Solana to provide a solid base of stability. These assets are less volatile and offer some protection during market corrections, while still giving me exposure to the growth of the broader crypto market. The recent Bitcoin ETF approval has been a significant factor driving its price to a new high, even with market fluctuation. Holding these large cap assets helps manage risk without missing out on potential upside. This particular portfolio leans more towards mid and high risk investment, as I said, focusing on sectors like AI, gaming, real-world assets, and meme coins. By allocating a large portion of my portfolio to these high-risk opportunities, I'm positioning myself for potentially higher returns. This approach is based on my calculation and market analysis, aiming at maximizing gains. I also have exposure to layer 1 blockchains like Toncoin, Polkadot, and Injectives, along with AI-driven projects such as ASI and AGI tokens. These sectors are seeing increasing demands and innovation, which makes them essential components for a high growth portfolio. Layer 1 blockchains are gaining significant attention as they provide the foundation for emerging Web3 applications such as decentralized finance, gaming ecosystem, and scalable AI-driven solutions, which are expected to expand with potential institutional support throughout ETFs and other traditional finance products. Remember, your crypto portfolio should be tailored to your risk tolerance and how much you're willing to invest. If you're more conservative, you might want to increase your allocation to large cap assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially considering their long-term potential. If you're aiming for higher returns like me, you can focus more on high-risk assets like Launchpad, gaming tokens, AI, and meme coins. The key is to find out right balance that aligns your comfort level and investment goals. Here's a quick recap of this specific portfolio. 30% in large cap cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Solana, 30% a significant focus on launchpads like CDFI, AIPad, ChainGPT, and AI Tech. That gives me access to early and discounted price for early projects. 10% is allocated in AI, including AGI, AIT protocol, GT protocol, Render, and OpenFabric. 10% is in real-world assets like Ondo and Railio Network. 10% in the gaming tokens such as Superverse and Immutable X, Beam, and Sidus. 5% is in layer 1 like Polkadot, Ton, Injective, Sui, and Sei. I allocated 5% in meme coins like Pepe and Bonk. This mix of assets is designed to prove stability while also maximizing upside potential through targeted high-risk investment. That's my crypto portfolio strategy for 2025. And remember, this is just one of my portfolios. I also have other portfolios for long-term holding, trading, and different strategies depending on my market analysis. You can always adjust your own investment based on your risk tolerance and how much you're comfortable investing. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest in crypto investment, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comment how you're building your portfolio for 2025. Thanks for watching, everyone. Let's keep growing together in this crypto journey, and I'll see you in the next one.